love.
Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back. This is Kayla. I just wanted to pop in real quick to do an update of my wash and go style to show y'all how it looks the next day. And as I promised, as I said, the shrinkage is real. It's going to shrink, so that's a given. Now, what I have observed is whenever I use the Eco Style Gel, I get a whole lot of shrinkage like this. And I don't mind shrinkage, I like shrinkage, but I like for the shrinkage to naturally get that way as time passes, as days go by. More like the third or fourth day of the wash and go style. But I get this when I use Eco Style Gel, I get this the very next day. So I've noticed that, and I like it, but I started using Xtreme. This gel is the business. I don't know if you guys ever tried it before, but I like it. And I forgot I had it because I literally bought it because I wanted to test it out, and it ended up working really well. And when it was time to do my wash and go yesterday, I just, you know how when you're like programmed to get, I was on autopilot and I just picked this one up and I ended up using this one on my live yesterday. But y'all, look, I mean, it's cool, but this is a look I would like to see on the 4th or 5th day. Not the second day, or second day. So, and my hair is actually completely dry. I told y'all yesterday it'll take 2 days for it to dry, but it actually is all dry and it's still Monday. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, y'all like my little pigtails? I had it like this for work. Push back, whatever. But I'm going to do part 2 of my wash and go. I've never done this before, back-to-back wash and go. But I'm gonna do it with this gel, and I'm gonna come on camera to show y'all the difference between the Eco and the Xtreme Pro Expert Gel. I got both of them from Walmart. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the same way I applied when I was on my live stream, and I'm gonna pop back and show y'all the result after I apply it all over. And then the next day, I'm going to pop back up and show y'all how it looks, and then y'all tell me if it looks different. Anywho, let me go ahead and put this in. So unlike yesterday, I was using smaller sections. I'm gonna go ahead and use bigger sections today. And I've noticed that me using smaller sections versus bigger sections really don't make that big of a difference for my hair. And I'm not reapplying any more oils, no more creams, because I've done all of that already yesterday. So there's no need in, there's no need in doing that today. So I'm just going straight in with the gel. Okay, so this is with one application. Okay. So I'm gonna go in for a second time with the gel. So like 2 applications, just to make sure, since it is a bigger section, I want to make sure that it is completely saturated with the gel, because that's going to make a big difference. Okay, let me see if I can give you all a nose. Here we go. Okay, that's better. Okay, so that's the first section. Now I'm going in with the second one. Yeah, I'm not playing this time around. Instead of doing those small sections, I'm doing bigger sections. This is it. So you are probably thinking it looks exactly the same. And it does, it looks similar. And I think you also have to keep in mind is I did put the Eco Gel in it, so that's still in effect. But to me, it's more definition to me. It's giving definition. And this is what Xtreme always gives. Definition. Next day, it's going to be definition. And it's going to be that way for the next few days. And then like on that fourth day, it's when it starts to shrink for the third day. Yeah. So I don't know, guys. We're just going to have to test it out. I'm going to come back tomorrow and show y'all how it looks as it dries. The Eco Gel only took a day to dry, which is interesting because it usually takes longer, but I don't know why it dried the way it did, but I'm glad it did because I was able to put the Xtreme Gel in there. Now, another con that I have for the Eco Gel is the fact that it starts to flake. Starts to flake up. There's a bit of a residue around the second or third day. It starts to flake, and that's, yeah, I don't like that. So I've never experienced any flakes, or when I use the Xtreme, I never see any white buildup or anything like that from the gel. And that's another reason why I prefer Xtreme. So I guess it's like a comparison video on which gel is better, at least for my hair, 4C texture or type. My preference is Xtreme, but I am definitely putting it to the test. I have just applied Xtreme Gel, and we'll see what it does for next day. So until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. All my subscribers, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope that you are enjoying my content. But I love that you guys are supporting me, and I appreciate you guys so much for that. And I just wanted to say, in case I haven't said it in a minute or in a while, thank you so much for watching my videos and for sharing and commenting. Everything you do helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And thank you for watching my videos to the end. You guys are real ones, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot. So I appreciate you all for watching my videos and hopefully enjoying my videos. Anywho, y'all are the best. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.